Your body did something amazing. Now let nature do the rest. Motherhood is a beautiful journey, filled with joy, transformation, and new beginnings. But it also brings physical, emotional, and hormonal changes that can feel overwhelming, especially for new and expecting moms. That's where natural wellness comes in. Natural wellness is all about embracing gentle, plant-based, and holistic practices that support a mother's body and mind, without harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients. Whether you're recovering after childbirth, breastfeeding your baby, or caring for your skin during pregnancy, Natural Remedies offer safe and effective ways to feel nourished and empowered. This guide is here to help you feel your best, calm, radiant, and well supported, using nature's simplest, safest tools. Postpartum pain. Try these herbal healing secrets. Postpartum healing oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons lavender essential oil, calming, anti-inflammatory. 2 tablespoons rosemary essential oil, boosts circulation, reduces pain. 4 tablespoons coconut oil, moisturizing, antibacterial base oil. How to prepare. Gently warm the coconut oil until it becomes liquid. Mix in lavender and rosemary oils. Pour the blend into a clean, dry glass bottle with a secure lid. How to use. Massage gently into areas of tension, lower back, abdomen, or perineum. Use daily, especially after a warm shower or sitz bath. Always do a patch test to ensure no skin sensitivity. Benefits: eases muscle aches. Promotes relaxation. Aids tissue repair. 2. Breastfeeding safe beauty products. Breastfeeding moms need gentle, non-toxic skincare that keeps baby safe and mama glowing. Lip balm ingredients: 1 tablespoon beeswax, natural barrier, locks in moisture. 1 tablespoon coconut oil, nourishing and soothing. 1 tablespoon shea butter, rich in vitamins, softens lips. How to prepare. In a double boiler, melt beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter together. Stir well and pour into small lip balm containers or tins. Let it cool and solidify for about 30 minutes. How to use. Apply to lips whenever they feel dry or chapped. Safe for use while breastfeeding, no synthetic chemicals or perfumes. Benefits: deeply hydrates lips. 100% edible, safe for baby contact. Easy to carry in a diaper bag. 3. Skincare tips during pregnancy. Preventing stretch marks and keeping the skin healthy and elastic is a big priority for many moms-to-be. Pregnancy stretch mark oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons almond oil, rich in vitamin E, softens skin. 2 tablespoons rosehip oil, boosts collagen, fades scars. How to prepare. Mix almond and rosehip oils in a small amber bottle to preserve freshness. Shake gently to combine. How to use. Massage into the belly, thighs, hips, and breasts every evening. Apply on damp skin after a shower for better absorption. Benefits: helps prevent and reduce stretch marks. Keeps skin supple and nourished. Safe for everyday use during pregnancy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.